Another warlock, another evil deity, but your new warlock character doesn't have to be the same boring trope. In fact, today we are talking about making an unconventional warlock. First, think about the deity they serve. The player's handbook states that a warlock is defined by a pact with an otherworldly being. This doesn't mean your warlock has to be evil. There are many non-evil or even good deities that offer pacts. For example, the Raven Queen is a popular deity for warlocks, but thinking about who they serve and why can help you better roleplay your character. Thinking about a unique patron can really change your story and character. What about an elder god who is clinging on to life, and the relationship with their servant becomes a symbiotic relationship? Or an ancient alien that communicates in a language you don't even understand? Choosing something like this versus the same devil or primordial cult can really change your character up. Second, pick spells that make sense for the character. Instead of taking the same old Firebolt and Eldritch Blast, think about what kind of spells your character would have. This can be based on their background, deity, or just what you think is cool. For a more urban setting, think about spells that would help you get around the city or spy on people. There are so many options for spells, so really take the time to consider what would make sense for your character, not just what makes the most powerful one. Third, think about where your character comes from. A warlock's origin can be just as important as their pact. A lot of people think that warlocks are just born evil, but that's not always the case. Perhaps your warlock was a scholar, a noble growing up with the best education, and in an accident of magic gone wrong, they let something loose or hurt someone they loved. The magic doesn't have to come from a god looking to be unleashed. It can be so much more than that. And finally, how does your character respond to their powers? This is an important question for all characters, but especially ones with such unconventional powers. Do they enjoy the attention, the power, the ability to do things that others can't, or are they scared by it? Are they distrusting and resentful? How they react to their abilities can be just as interesting as the abilities themselves. Making a warlock that isn't just power hungry and chaotic can be a very refreshing take and make for a truly memorable character. So go out there, make the warlock you've always wanted to play. If you've had some cool warlocks, let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.